Okay, I'm gonna do something a little different on this one. I got a little bit of music playing in the background here because this video here, most of this video is from my game camera, so there's not gonna be any sound. So I'm gonna kind of play some music here and describe what I'm seeing here and what I'm making the video about. Okay, so the rainy season has started. So that's what you're seeing here. You're seeing the rain, the water starting to build up here. And then there's some deer right here too, so I went ahead and let that add in. So this is my game camera that's taking pictures. It takes the pictures and it's like compressing them into video form. So that's what you're seeing here. You're seeing it kind of going kind of fast here, and you'll just see as it goes along. But it's taking pictures, and then you'll see a couple places here where I got deer in it. So to kind of show you what I'm looking at here, I'm looking at the water building up. This is the low area here in the swampy area here. This where the cypress trees are. The water's starting to build up, and on past back there where you see the palmettos, that's a higher elevation, so that goes up higher. And we actually to get to this spot now, we're coming around through the palmettos there, so we're not walking in deep water. Okay, and here comes another deer. On the left side here, you're going to see another deer for a couple seconds. So I'm mostly showing the daytime footage here on this, so you can see the water standing and building up here. But I got I'm leaving in a couple of scenes here where it's dark at night, because I want you to see these. Well, there's a lens flare with the lens being wet from the rain. You'll see that on the far left side here, and then you'll also see an orb. So I hope this is turning out good with the music in the background. I've experimented with the music a couple times before, and had some in some of my fishing videos. So hopefully this turned out okay in this. And this is just music that's on my video editor that came on my Windows video editor on my laptop. And I came across this one. I thought it would fit in pretty decent here. So take a look at this. At first I thought this was a lens flare again from the water being on the lens from the rain. But it's not. Look, you can see the energy. You can see the energy going through it. And then it goes away. If it was a lens flare, it wouldn't be just going away like that. All the other ones are staying in place. Alright, so I had to play this again. And this looks to me like an orb, and then you can see the energy going through it. So I had to go ahead and just play this again, let you see it again. And then again, here on the left side, you can see that that is a lens flare. It's just from the raindrops hitting it and getting on the camera there, and the IR light hitting it. And that's been in all the videos on here. So that's a lens flare. Okay, we're getting close to the end of the video here, and I'm actually going to end the music here in just a second, because right here at the end of the video it's going to have sound, so I'm just going to let the sounds play so you can hear what I'm doing. All right.